Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export your bookmarked and bookmarked websites on the Waterfox web browser to save it as an HTML file on your device and to import it later on any other web browser you would like to use, guys. So this is how you can do it. Open up the Waterfox web browser and access your bookmarks. You can do this through several ways, guys. For example, via the sidebar here to the left by clicking into that star icon, or if you have enabled the top menu bar, simply click into bookmarks and select bookmarks toolbar. Sorry, here, manage bookmarks at the top. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O. If you haven't enabled neither the sidebar nor the top menu bar, guys, you may simply access these three dots or three lines in the top right, hover your mouse over bookmarks, click into it and select manage bookmarks here at the bottom. That is going to open up that window here. So what you want to do is navigate to all bookmarks here to the left, and here click into import and backup, and from that menu simply select export bookmarks to HTML. Click into it, save it on your device, give it a name, the file, like my bookmarks, and that's it. That is going to save the given bookmarks on your device as an HTML file so that you may import it into another browser later, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.